Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Whirlpool washer is showing you the F7E1 error code in 2026, this usually means that the washer is having a basket speed sensing or motor control issue. So in today's video, I will show you how you can properly diagnose the problem and restore normal washer operation. So first of all, you need to reduce the overloading and rebalance the drum. So the F7E1 code often appears when the washer basket cannot reach proper spinning speed. So you need to first of all start by opening the washer and check for overload laundry, heavy balanced items or tangled padding. Remove excess weight and redistribute the clothes evenly. Then you just have to simply restart the spin cycle, and if the washer resumes normal spinning, it means that the issue was caused by load imbalance interfering with the basket movement. Afterwards, if balancing doesn't help, you need to check underneath and the washer for drive system problems. You need to simply inspect the components like drive belt or splutch assembly or pulley system. A slipping belt or the damaged pulley can prevent the proper basket speed detection. The shift actuator controls whether the washer agitates or spins. So if the component fails, the washer may not properly transition into the spin mode. So you need to listen to the unusual clicking noise during the cycle changes, and a defective actuator often requires replacement. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.